Sometimes it may be inconvenient, but it's a sacrifice that we have to make. Is it inconvenient? Look, I'd like Mr. Cantor to come down here to Dallas and explain what exactly in this jobs bill does he not believe in?
And empower their citizens rather than stand in their way, even when it's inconvenient, or perhaps especially when it's inconvenient for government leaders.
Sometimes people may not appreciate it, and it may be in national norms when it's inconvenient to do so. And we have not. There are going to be some environmental regulations where, some governors think this is inconvenient, it's impeding development.
3 feet, it's going to be expensive and inconvenient and disruptive.
That's obviously inconvenient for you, and it's expensive for the system as a whole.